Good day mga kachings, another day, another blessing na sa tanan. So for today, maghimo ta og cinnamon roll cream cake. So this is the reference photo. Let's go. So let's start with our cake. So we are using whipped icing again. Ang atong ginagamit sa atong pag-cover sa atong cake. And then the cake is ready na. So the combination of the color is blue and green. So more on blue color. This is a Choco Moist cake. And the size is 8 inches diameter by 5 inches in height. So let's continue sa pag-icing natin sa atong cake. So toppers are combination of edible and printable toppers. So kanang kondan kita ra naghimuan side kong dili na gyud ta kabalo mo himo ato gina siyang ipatrabaho sa lain basta lisod. Kana ra kaya nato atong himuon sa mga toppers. So this is it. Ato nang gipamunta kag mga decor ang atong cake. So let's continue sa pag-decor sa atong cake. Our cinnamon roll cake plus 2 dozen of Choco Moist cupcakes. This is it. We're done with the cinnamon roll theme cake. So thank you for watching and God bless.